my name's Rhiannon and welcome to my channel. So yesterday we made some dandelion jelly and today we're going to make something to go with it. So today we're making scones, or scones if you're very posh. Fight amongst yourselves in the comments. So this is a really simple, very quick recipe. Step one is to set your oven to 200 degrees if you've got a fan oven, or 220 degrees Celsius if you haven't got a fan oven, as in my case. So first we get 225 grams of self-raising flour and 50 grams of butter. Take off your rings before doing this. So the first step is just to knead butter into the flour until it forms breadcrumbs. It's a nice breadcrumb consistency. Next you add a teaspoon of baking powder. That's a flat teaspoon, by the way. And 25 grams of sugar. And mix that in. So this is optional. I'm adding currants today. There's 50 grams of currants, but you can add any dried fruit or even cheese if you like cheese scones. Now you want to make sure they're coated in the flour before you add any of your liquid ingredients, otherwise they'll all stick to the bottom. So, take a jug and crack the baking powder. Making sure you haven't got any shell in there. Then you want to top it up until it says 125 millilitres. A pastry brush. So you just want to beat that together until it's all a consistent colour. And pour that into your mixture, leaving behind a little bit to glaze the top of your scones. And mix that in until it forms a dough. Make sure to get the bottom and the sides as you mix it. It will stick to your hands, like there's not really a way of avoiding that. So there should be quite a stiff dough. It's not like a cake batter. If it's like a cake batter, then you've added too much liquid. So it should start to form a ragged ball of dough. Get most of that off your hands. So set that to one side for a second. And go and wash your hands because I'm going to put my hands directly into the flour. So now, with clean, dry hands, just put a generous amount of flour onto your workspace. And once this has formed a solid ball, tip that out. So knead that lightly until it forms a dough. Make sure your flour is evenly spread again, otherwise it will stick to the surface. And push down until it's about 1.5 centimetres thick. Then take a biscuit cutter, I've got a fluted one, and just cut out some rounds. If you push this too thinly, then it won't rise properly, so make sure that you have got nice thick rounds. And when you've cut out all you can, squidge it all together and press it flat again. Try not to overwork your dough too much, or it will become kind of less fluffy and a bit stiff when you eat it. Now we're going to have to get at least one more out of this. Don't worry if you get one that's slightly odd. I tend to consider that to be the cooked one that you get to eat before anyone else gets any. And if you've got any left, just pull it up and you've got a little snack. It has got raw egg in it, so don't eat that if you're not comfortable eating raw egg. So, take your lined greased baking tray and just pop these on. You don't have to space them out very much because you want them to go up, not out. And all of those. And do nothing on the slide. There we go. And then stick that into the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes until they've started to go golden on the top. Don't mind me, I forgot a step. Which is a good thing, I actually forgot to put my oven on. So then, just take your remaining egg mixture and lightly brush it onto the top of each scone. And give that a nice glaze when they're baked. Now, I'll probably do some kind of YouTuber interaction stuff, so put in the comments what's your favourite kind of scone. Mine is probably cheese scones, but they are definitely the worst for you. Especially with the amount of cheese I tend to put in them. And glaze them kind of. Right, so let's have another go at putting these in the oven. So these have now been cooling on this baking sheet for about 5 minutes, so just pop them onto the rack to cool the rest of the way down, and I recommend you eat them as soon as it's possible to do so without burning your mouth. So, I hope you try these and enjoy them. Let me know how it goes, and please, if you want to know more about the dandelion jelly, check out the other video.